how to change after moving a message in Yahoo Mail on computer. And okay guys, here in Yahoo Mail homepage, okay, go to gear icon on the right side on your screen and click this and go to more settings. In more settings, okay, you can see on the left side the viewing email. Okay, go to this. In viewing email, okay, you can see here the after moving a message. And after moving a message is set into show next message. To change the after moving a message, okay, there are options here. So you can set or change into show previous message by clicking the circle button on the left side of this show previous message. And also you can change into go back to original folder. So click the circle button if you want this. And okay guys, I decide to change the after moving a message into show previous message. And after that, okay, click the back to inbox button here to save. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed after moving a message in Yahoo Mail on computer.